last 2 years, 2.5, 3 years.
Yeah.
It's been an interesting break. I think it's been an important one, and it certainly has led to sort of reinvigoration for me, at least.
So I added a few things to the dramaturgical document.
It's really great to have something where I have time, where we all have time to gain trust, to take some chances with one another, and to create something and we don't know what it is yet.
The place where we build the art is part of the art making. It is part of the experiences that lead us to what will eventually be our final product. And this place, Gethsemane Lutheran, is special for that.
So how do we honor these characters? How do we honor the community by really delving deep into who these people are and how they got to where they are?
I think it's a super exciting experiment. We do not settle for anything other than our best version of excellence. And I think that more so than ever before, that this process is attempting to meet that.